That's about how I did the initial user interface design. So I started with graphic, but I realized I sort of needed to figure out how I was going to move around different button groups. So I grabbed this program called Adobe XD, which is free, and mocked up some different user interfaces. I need a couple because in one, there a voice interface will be more present, so this will be like a big recording button, and then others will have some more UI elements. So after I got done with that, I sort of exported it as a picture PDF and opened that on my iPhone so I could sort of figure out how my fingers felt on the buttons. And then after that, I took it into Unity, which is my let's see if I just hide this, which is my development environment, and I brought them in as pictures and laid them in the background. So I have one here and one here. So that gave me something that I could sort of build against. And then I layered on my interface elements until they got to be roughly where I wanted them to be. And now I have a mostly functioning user interface. So the buttons are placed the way I like, and I can start to fill them with actual content. This is all just mock content, but I can like show and hide different things and just sort of experiment with how it works. So down below, these will be the playback buttons, this will be a recording button. These will be different things. Instead of in show notes, how you have to go hunt through and click on links, they'll just be popped up little buttons when you're listening to a podcast. These will be different things like tipping, bookmarking, and things like that. This will show you how many people are listening to an episode live and how many friends of yours are online, and these will click through. Then, of course, some time back info, some episode info that clicks through. And I still have some other UIs to do for show discovery and episode, but for the most part, all set.